Hi, everybody. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have you all here. Welcome to Monday. That's correct. So, cool things. The rubrics have been posted online. Also, the live lecture on the announcements. So, go ahead and check up for any updates. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I took a look at your grades. I have your lecture grades already done. Missing a lot of assignments this week, so if anybody's missing assignments, please contact me immediately. That way I can help you out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it this week. Let's get started. A lot of cool things, a lot of stuff to talk about. So yeah, let's go for it. So this week we're going to talk about perception. So last week we talked about sensory images and the history of visual communication, how they kind of play a part with everything and the responses tied to that. This week we're going to talk about perception. And this is something we're going to cover for 2 weeks. This first week, we're going to talk about perception as a whole, cognitive memories, and a lot of different stimuli that kind of play a part with how we shape perception based upon visual communication. Next week, we're going to go into semiotics, the study of signs, and really get into the details of how iconography and how those different perceptions can be affected based upon signs and symbols. So we're going to split perception up a little bit into 2 weeks. It's a heavier part of the course and really takes up a lot of time. So yeah, we're going to talk about that. So this week, we're going to go into perception. And perception is just mainly the organization, identification, interpretation of sensory information in order to represent and understand the presented information or environment. So there's a lot of different concepts we're talking about. There's cultural perception, which involves perceptions based upon your cultural background. You also have cognitive memories that shape your perception based upon what you experienced or how you've gone through things. You also have perceptions that focus on businesses and culture, how they should apply perceptions and build images based upon the different cultures and environments that they go after. We also have semiotics and perception to stimuli, how perceptions are affected from stimuli and how semiotics are driven from science. That's what we're going to be focused on the next 2 weeks. And that's what we're really going to be really taking over as a time. So yeah, lecture time is going to be different a little bit this week. So Tuesday, same time, 7 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. Links should be already on top, and everything should be good to go. Other than that, that's all I got. So do keep in mind your discussion's due on Tuesday for your initial post. Your reply post is due on Saturday, and that's pretty much it. So no more everything on Saturday. That's just for week 1. Please make sure that your initial posts are due on Tuesday. It's in the syllabus. I've mentioned it multiple times. Make sure you turn that initial post in by Tuesday. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody's having a great week. If any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So thanks for being amazing. Have fun, take it easy, and see everybody for lecture tomorrow. Enjoy, guys. Bye.